Everybody is taking position. You can see the different commanders. The Secretary General. The team is been marching before you. After being commanded by different personnel drawn from the UPDF and then the Uganda Police Force. The parade commander is Warrant Officer Class 1. Sylvester. Thank you very much. Warrant Officer Class 1 and do go Pio Sylvester. The lady you see moving so well. The lady leading the first band at the first guard is none other than PC Ayabere Susan of the Uganda Police. Thank you very much, Ayabere Susan, for leading this team. Thank you. And all calls with the chief instructor and his team. Major from the UPDF, thank you. Thank you very much. And our 2IC for this is none other than about the SD, that is the Lunch Corporal Ayo Andrew, who is the second guard. Thank you very much, Lunch Corporal Ayo Andrew. And the band is from Kalongo. Thank you very much. Thank you for making the marching more interesting and enjoyable. And this is what the Constitution talks about. Each and every countryman should be better aware to practice an aspect of music and even learn how to use that, because at the end of it all, a nation must be protected by, of course, the country. And this is exactly what the NRM government is doing, and this is why we are here in Uganda today, to be more specific in the police of country. Thank you very much. Before you, the Right Honorable Secretary General of the NRM is being led by PC Achumajime. Thank you very much. The one saluting you is Private Opapet Joseph from Uganda Police. Thank you very much. And what you're seeing here was under the full instruction of Mechanicolers from the UPDF. Thank you very much. He has been our chief instructor. Thank you. That is Guard 5, led by Oloya Justice, Sergeant from Uganda from the UPDF. Thank you very much, Sergeant Oloya Justice. Honorable Setopiano, just like I indicated earlier on, the parade is being commanded by none other than Warrant Officer Class 1, Opio Silva. Thank you very much. And Guard 1 is being commanded by Ayebare Susan of the Ugandan Police. When you see a lady commanding a guard like that, that tells you of one of the key achievements of the NRM that has worked tirelessly to uplift the standard of our women. And Susan Ayebare is an example for the subconscious water. Thank you very much. We are thanking you because that's the party you lead. Can we all rise up for the national anthem? The band, please.